Hi, we're Mike and Patrice, and we're camping through my eyes. We have been camping for many, many years. We started out tent camping. From tent camping, we went to a pop-up. From our pop-up, we bought a travel trailer and another travel trailer. Now, we own an Airstream, and come along as we share our adventures. We're at Maumee Bay State Park, enjoying the last of the summer. Maumee Bay State Park is located in Logan, Ohio. This is our second time going there this year. This has now become our hidden gem. When we arrived at the state park, there's an Airstream rally in the next loop. We went over there. We didn't do any filming, but we met a lot of new people. We like this state park so much because it's 1 hour from Michigan. This park offers cycling, kayaking, swimming. It has over 250 sites that all back into a nice wooded area. What is it not to love? And all this is located right in the urban setting. Every site can accommodate any size RV. Both 30 and 50 amp service is available depending on the site. And they just remodeled one of their loops. So now it has water, sewage, and electricity. The Lake Erie Beach is about 1.5 mile walk or bike ride from the campground. Perfect.